How to connect TikTok with Facebook. In this video, I will share with you step by step on how to add your TikTok link or how to connect your TikTok account to your Facebook account. First of all, to do that now, go ahead and open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, now go ahead and copy your profile on TikTok. So now tap on this main profile at the bottom. So after you open up your profile on TikTok like this, now tap on this edit profile button. So in this section, all you have to do now, go ahead and copy, as you can see now, copy your username, this one. So all you have to do now, just tap on this section, copy the link at all. So after you copy the link, here is it, as you can see now, tiktok.com/@ your username. After you copy your TikTok, as you can see now, this link. So now tap on this back. Now close the TikTok and go back to your Facebook account. After you open your Facebook account like this, now tap on this profile at the top right side. So after you tap on this menu at the top right side, now tap on this profile, open it. After you open this profile, as you can see, here is now your main profile. So now tap on this edit profile button. In this section, now scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. As you can see here, it says links. So tap on this add link, this one. So after you tap on this add link, as you can see now, tap on this add social link. So in this section now, all you have to do now, tap on this select platform. So now in this section, go ahead and choose TikTok. After you select the TikTok, all you have to do now paste in your link that you copy. In this section, only your username is needed. So now I will go ahead and paste in the link at all, and I will now go ahead and remove the tiktok.com and leave only my username. So as you can see now, here is my username. Make sure you type your username like this at your username. As you can see now, I've joined at Jonah and Leo Creative. Now here is my username. After you paste in your username, just tap on this tab. As you can see now, tap on the tab. So after you tap on this section now, as you can see now, it added my TikTok, as you can see now, link. Now tap on this save button. So in this section now, here is, as you can see now, my TikTok, as you can see now, link to my Facebook. Tap on this back arrow again. Now tap, as you can see now, if you come to your profile now, refresh like this. As you can see now, here is my TikTok, as you can see now, link. Now whoever now tap on this link, it will take him to my TikTok account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.